everybody, and welcome to the channel. I'm filming this inside my car because outside it's just really windy, and if I do it outside you're just gonna hear nothing but yeah, I'm gonna be in my car. Today we're gonna be talking about the Pentax 17. Bought this camera for my birthday as a gift to myself because I wanted to try it out. I heard a lot of hype. I went online and was trying to find different photos and different examples of people using this thing. Didn't really find a lot. I found some, but I kind of wanted to get it in my hand and try it for myself. One of the reasons why I hesitated on buying this camera so long was because it had this zone focus system here. There was no autofocus present on this camera, or even the ability to ring focus. I mean, I've used cameras like that before without a lot of success, so I was really hesitant to buy this, but honestly, I'm kind of glad I did. Now, before we jump in too far, I am not a paid sponsor. Pentax doesn't know who I am, probably will never know who I am, and they're not giving me any money. So this is just me talking about a camera that I've been using lately. So let's just get that out of the way right now. The Pentax 17, it is a film camera, of course. Like I said, it has that zone focus, and I gotta be honest, this is probably one of the most fun cameras I've used in a long time. Despite my reservations about the zone focus system, as long as you're in the general vicinity of where you should be, you shouldn't have any problems getting your shots in focus. Just don't forget to put it on the proper setting like I do sometimes. It's portable, it's lightweight, it's compact, it fits in my pocket, I can take it anywhere, and it's built pretty well. I mean, it's not a metal body, obviously. It doesn't feel like it's metal, maybe it is, but it's not going to be like your big heavy cameras from the 70s like the Canon AE1, but it is a pretty sturdy camera. It feels good in the hands, and it's fun to use. One of the things I really enjoy about this camera is that the lens is incredibly sharp, and you'll see what I mean in the photos I'm going to post. I'm really enjoying the shots that I'm getting out of this camera. You get that nostalgic grain look with some of the high quality optics of modern cameras. So I'm really quite happy with that. This is a half frame camera. So what that means is where on a roll of film you would normally get 36 exposures, you're going to split that in half and you're going to get 72, or you're going to double it and get 72. Now that has its ups and downs. I mean, 72, that's a lot of shots. I mean, if you're not on a digital system where you can just go, you know, just spray and pray, that's a lot of shots to use up. So it does take quite a while to get through a roll of film with that. But what the cool thing is that you're going to get way more shots. It kind of frees me up personally to be able to just kind of experiment and see just the different kind of shots I can get. Honestly, it's kind of like having one foot in the digital world and one foot in the film photography world with so many shots. So yeah, that's been a nice advantage. It does take a while, but I mean, it's nice getting 70 or 71 or 72 shots when I go and develop film, other than you know, getting 30 or getting even 24. Sometimes I do get only 70 shots because I leave the lens cap on and waste an exposure. So yeah, I really love this camera. I think it's great. And I'm going to show you some examples of shots I've taken with this camera at the end of the video. But yeah, I think this is a pretty cool little camera. If you have had experience with this camera, if you bought this camera, if you love it, if you hate it, let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys, appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.